After an illustrious cricket career spanning over a decade, Indian cricketer Shikhar Dhawan has officially announced his retirement from all formats of international cricket and the IPL. Popularly known as Gabbar, Dhawan's journey in cricket has been marked by both entertainment and excellence. His international debut in 2010 quickly established him as a key figure in Indian cricket, celebrated for his explosive batting and charismatic presence. Over the years, Dhawan played an integral role in numerous Indian victories across all formats of the game. In his retirement announcement, Dhawan conveyed his deep gratitude and enthusiasm for the future. He reflected on the honor of representing his country and noted that wearing the Indian jersey would always be cherished. He expressed heartfelt thanks to his family, friends, teammates, coaches, and the fans who have been a significant part of his life and journey. Dhawan is particularly noted for his success in limited overs cricket. His career reached a pinnacle during the 2013 ICC Champions Trophy, where his outstanding performance earned him the Mr. ICC accolade as the tournament's best player. He made history as the first batsman to score back-to-back centuries in the IPL and holds the record for the most fours in the IPL. Dhawan also made history by captaining both Punjab Kings and Sunrisers Hyderabad, a unique achievement in the league. Looking ahead, Dhawan plans to focus on his business ventures, including the Dhawan Group and his ownership of the Delhi Premier League team, South Delhi Superstars. He is eager to embark on this new chapter of his life and career, which includes advancements in the fitness and lifestyle sectors. His previous ventures encompass a chain of fitness centers, a sports equipment line, and a wellness brand dedicated to promoting healthy living. As Dhawan steps away from international cricket, his legacy will undoubtedly continue to inspire future generations of cricketers. His contributions to the sports will always fondly be remembered by fans, teammates, and cricketing experts alike. Dhawan's retirement marks the end of an era for the cricketing world.
नमस्कार सभी को। आज एक ऐसे मोड़ पर खड़ा हूँ जहाँ से पीछे देखने पर सिर्फ यादें ही नजर आती हैं और आगे देखने पर एक पूरी दुनिया। मेरी हमेशा से एक की मंजिल थी, इंडिया के लिए खेलना, और वो हुआ भी, जिसके लिए मैं कई लोगों का शुक्रगुजार हूँ। सबसे पहले मेरी फैमिली, मेरे बचपन के कोच तारिक सिन्हा जी, मदन शर्मा जी, जिनके अंडर मैंने क्रिकेट सीखी, फिर मेरी टीम जिसके साथ साथ मैं सालों खेला। मुझे एक परिवार और मिला, नाम मिला, अब सबका प्यार मिला। पर कहते हैं ना, कहानी में आगे बढ़ने के लिए पन्ने पलटना जरूरी है, तो बस मैं भी ऐसे ही करने जा रहा हूँ। आई एम अनाउंसिंग माई रिटायरमेंट फ्रॉम इंटरनेशनल एंड डोमेस्टिक क्रिकेट। और अब जब मैं अपनी क्रिकेट जर्नी को अलविदा कह रहा हूँ, तो मेरे दिल में एक सुकून है कि मैं अपने देश के लिए बहुत खेला, और मैं बहुत शुक्रगुजार हूँ बीसीसीआई डीडीसीए का, जिन्होंने मुझे मौका दिया, और मेरे सारे फैंस का, जिन्होंने मुझे इतना प्यार दिया। और मैं बस खुद से यही कहता हूँ कि भाई, तू इस बात से दुखी मत हो कि तू अपने देश के लिए फिर नहीं खेलेगा, पर इस बात की खुशी अपने पास रख कि तू अपने देश के लिए खेला, और ये मेरे लिए सबसे बड़ी बात है, मैं खेला।
Stay tuned to Orissa Post Live for more such updates.